warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Haryatun Safiana Jalila with ID 23410106003. Here I will explain general overview of the article. The article discusses the use of video-mediated self-reflection in teaching practical for pre-service teachers. The authors argue that reflection is crucial for developing teacher identity and understanding the connection between theory and practice. They explore how video technology can be used to enhance reflective practice and help student teachers develop a sense of agency, self-confidence, and autonomy. The article also examines how student teacher can use video-mediated self-reflection to understand praxis in context and how theory. The authors conclude that video-mediated self-reflection is a valuable tool for teacher education and should be encouraged in practicum programs. The study explored video-mediated self-reflection during pre-service teacher practica, aiming to enhance agency and connect theory to practice, employing interpretative phenomenological analysis and critical discourse analysis. Within a case study design, data from videos and reflective journal revealed the potential of video reflection to foster professional growth. The findings highlight the benefits for teacher education programs. The study examined video-mediated self-reflection in teacher education using interpretative phenomenological analysis and critical discourse analysis. A phenomenological case study approach explored to pre-service teacher experience using teaching philosophies, videos, reflective journal, and informal talks. Three themes emerged: agency, self-confidence, and understanding praxis, demonstrating videos' potential to improve teaching skills.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about the title. The knowledge constructs or research is engaging student teachers in video media self-reflection, and for the context of the place is in teaching practica. From number 2, introduction, identify the main issue or problem being addressed is the present study raised the issue of how student teacher use self-reflective practice mediated by video technology to question their knowledge, beliefs, and teaching practice. And for describe how previous empirical studies respond to the issue, I highlight from this until this. The explain is previous empirical studies acknowledge the significance of teaching practical in socializing student teachers into the profession and fostering the development of their teacher identity. And this the explain is this study emphasize the importance of practical in providing authentic real-life teaching experience within school context. And next, from explain the research given by the current study, I highlight from this particularly until this practice. The meaning I highlight is this section demonstrates a knowledge gap and an empirical gap because although reflection in teaching practice has been widely researched, there is not enough understanding of how student teachers new to the school environment learn to engage in video-mediated self-reflection. In other words, there is a lack of empirical information about the process and ways in which they use video technology for critical reflection on their teaching knowledge and practice. And last, for the contribution made is this I like from the extent until practica. The explanation is this contribution fills the gap by providing a phenomenological study that documents how student teachers use video-mediated reflective practice during their teaching practice. This study adds to the empirical and practical understanding of the use of video technology to enhance self-reflection in the context of teacher education. The contribution of this study is that it offers new data and analysis through a phenomenological approach focusing on video-based reflective practice, thus extending and deepening the existing literature and providing practical insight for teacher education and professional development. And next, third is literature review. First, identify the theoretical foundation or main concept used. I highlight from since the work of Dewey until education program. And the next concept used from the article is From reflection is a multi-dimensional construct because it involves different ways of looking at things until myriad of learning tasks. Okay, next, from mentioned relevant literature that support the theory in the studies content, I highlight this one. From as seen in table 819 until this for action. And last, from discuss the author's stance. How do they position themselves in relation to existing studies? I highlighting from this side nor until this, and then this highlight from this Parsons and Stevenson until an evaluation. This design is very suitable for this study because it aims to deeply understand how to student teacher use video assisted reflective practice to reconstruct their knowledge, beliefs, and practice during the teaching practicum program. And next, describe the research context and participant recruitment procedure. First, location. I highlight from this the teaching practicum program in this study was a required course in the ITA curriculum situated in the Department of English Education at one of the private universities in East Java. And then course details I highlight from this course entitled 4 credits, and it aimed to help student teacher obtain pedagogical content competence and develop personal practical theories, for example teaching integrated English skills. The practicum program was also geared to build and develop student teacher identity as an English language teacher. Okay, and then participant recruitment procedure. First, identification. Okay, from for participate. Okay, for participant recruitment procedure, first identification. I highlight from this two student teacher were recruited as a participant of the study, and then participant background. I highlight from this. They were Marhapi until this for Marhapi and Markona. And then initial activities I will highlight from this in the first week until for 2 or 3 class periods. Okay, last, explain how the data was collected. I highlight from this until this. It means the research used several instruments and tools for data collection, including video recordings of the student teacher's lesson, reflective journal kept by the student teacher teaching philosophy, statement written by the student teacher, and teacher-student conversing session involving the student teacher, cooperating teacher, and supervising faculty member. And how it was analyzed, I will highlight this prior to the teaching practicum until this practicum experience. It means the research employed two primary data analysis techniques, interpretative phenomenological analysis to comprehend the student-teacher experience and their interpretation of the practicum, and critical discourse analysis to investigate how the student-teacher knowledge, beliefs, and practice were conveyed through language and discourse, considering power dynamics and social context within the discourse. Okay, well, that's the result of my work. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.